Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will be covering all the steps in a straight and concise manner to install icpp-pro on your system. We will not be covering any concepts in detail. For that, we have dedicated videos which you can follow and learn about each and every step to install icpp-pro in detail. So let's just dive in. Step 1. Setting up Python virtual environment. For that, you need to download Miniconda from this URL, anaconda.com/download. You can click on skip registration, scroll down on this page and download Miniconda for your operating system. I am running M1 MacBook, so I'm going to click here. This is going to download the Miniconda installer file. Once this is downloaded, we need to install this. So I'm going to click this, click continue, install. And now Miniconda is getting installed on our computer. Let's wait for this to done. This installs Miniconda on our system. Once Miniconda is installed on our system, we need to open terminal, hit certain commands and create a Python virtual environment. For that, open your command terminal and hit the following commands. The first command is conda create name my environment python equal to 3.11. Copy this and paste this here and hit enter. Press Y again. Now the second command is conda activate my environment. Copy this, paste it here. This activates our Python virtual environment. You can see the name of the environment here. Now the next step is installing icpp-pro. For that, use the following command pip install icpp-pro. Copy this here and do a paste. Hit enter. This is going to begin installing icpp-pro. Once this is done, you can copy this command icpp version to see if icpp-pro is successfully installed or not. So for that, copy and paste this here and hit enter. We see these details popping up: icpp-pro, VASI, SDK, etc. This means icpp-pro is successfully installed. Now the next step is installation of VASI SDK. For that, copy this command icpp install VASI SDK, paste it here and hit enter. This is going to begin installing VASI SDK. Once this is done, you can use the following command ls icpp VASI SDK VASI SDK 25.0. Copy this and paste here to see if this is successfully installed or not. When you see these folders version bin lib share appearing, this means VASI SDK is successfully installed. Now the next step is installation of DFX. For that, use the following command. Copy this, paste here and hit enter. This is going to begin the installation of DFX. Hit enter. Once this is done, you need to copy the following command: source home library applications supporting org.definity.dfx/environment. Copy this, paste it here, hit enter. Once this is done, you can use the following command dfx version to see if dfx is successfully installed or not. So copy this, paste here. If you see the dfx version appearing, this means dfx is successfully installed. The next step is installation of Clang compiler. For that, use the following command xcode select install. Copy this, paste it here, hit enter. You will see this pop-up appearing. You click on install, give it permissions, click on agree. Now this is going to begin the installation of Xcode command line tools. This does take some time, let it complete. This completes installation of Xcode command line developer tools. Click on done, that's it. The next step is installation of Rust compiler. For that, use the following command icpp install rust. Paste it here, hit enter. This will begin installing Rust. This completes installation of Rust compiler. You can hit this following command ls icpp rust to see if this is installed successfully or not. Paste it here, hit enter. If you see this version 1.79 appearing, this means Rust compiler is successfully installed. Now the next step is did C installation. For that, use the following command export till here, paste it here, hit enter. Then the next command is wget till did C. Copy this, paste it here, hit enter. This is going to begin installing did C on our system. You need to enter your password, hit enter again. That's it. Did C is installed. Now to see if it is done successfully or not, use the following command did C version, press enter. You see the version number popping up. This means did C is successfully installed. Now we can further test its capabilities if it is decoding and encoding the data correct or not. For that, use the following command did C encode hello C++. Copy this, paste here, hit enter. If you see this candidate data appearing, this means it is doing its job. We can further decode this string to see if it is working well. You copy this string, paste here. You see this hello C+ getting printed. That means did C is working well. That's it. Now the last step, which is installing of VS Code. For that, open the following URL code.visualstudio.com/download. Select the file applicable for your operating system. Mine is Apple Silicon M1, so I'm going to click this. This is going to download the VS Code installation file. Once this is installed, you open the file. This will extract the folder. Now you will see this Visual Studio Code icon appearing. You double click this and this will open your Visual Studio Code. Click open. And this is the screen that you will see when you open Visual Studio Code for the first time. Once this is done, we need to install 3 extensions that support C++ coding in VS Code. For that, go to this icon and the first extension is C/C++. You will see the first one by Microsoft. You click install and this will begin installing this extension. It is done. Now the second extension is C++ extension. This one. This is also by Microsoft. Click install. This is also done. And the third extension is code LLDB. This is by Vadim Chugnov. Click install and this will begin installing this extension code LLDB. Once this is done, we are finished with installation of Visual Studio Code and the extensions. That's it. This message has appeared. This means the extensions are successfully installed. That's it. These were the 8 steps. Now we are ready with icpp Pro installed on a computer. We can use it to create canisters using C++ and deploy it on the Internet Computer blockchain. In the course ahead, you will learn a lot on how to use icpp Pro and create amazing projects using AI and Internet Computer blockchain. So stay tuned.